What's good, guys? Here we go, inspecting this rivet connector from the LCD to the motherboard. No picture, and we found a culprit. It's like Mickey Mouse was down there chewing on it. Yeah, guys. So if you guys ever run into this problem, you gotta be very careful with that rivet cable. It could chew it up. So what I'm gonna end up doing is ordering a rivet cable and I'm replacing it. If you guys run into this problem, you know what you gotta do. Replace it. It's not gonna work. On display, it's the culprit.